This 2025 BMW 5 Series is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This BMW is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo gas electric i4 2.0 L122 engine, and has 19,460 miles. Drive luxury without the new price. Explore this 2025 BMW 5 Series today. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.